Hello everyone. So today I'll be showing you how to apply for Inner Line Permit ILP to enter Arunachal Pradesh. In the Google search bar, type Arunachal ILP. You can apply through your phone too. Now you get the link and just click on that ILP Arunachal Pradesh. Once you open the site, you can check the notifications and guidelines that the Arunachal Pradesh government has uploaded. At the top, you can see Apply eILP. Just click there. There are various options. If you are a single person, then you can apply for single eILP. And if you are in a group, then you can apply for Apply Group eILP. If you are in a group, then just click there and you can see enter number of additional applicant excluding primary applicant. So if you are a group of 3, then just write 2 because you are the primary applicant. Let me show you for a group of 2 people. So here we need to write 1. A COVID guideline will pop up. Just read it. So this is the application form. So here you need to select the processing officer. We went from Tejpur, so we selected the Tejpur. DRC office Parvatinagar Tejpur. If you are going from Guwahati, you can select Guwahati and there will be different locations. Next, you need to select the district you are visiting. So if you are going only till Dirang, you can select West Kameng. But if you are going to Tawang, then you need to select Tawang. When you select Tawang, the checking gate will automatically be selected as Balemu or Valukpong. At the check-in gate, your eILP will be verified. Do carry your ID card. Then you need to mention the date of your visit and also the date of return. Then you need to select the permit category. We selected the tourist category and purpose of visit you can write as tourist. And in the local reference details, you need to fill up where you are going to stay at Arunachal Pradesh. You need to give the address and contact details. If you are visiting Tawang, then you need to give the name, address and contact details of Tawang. And if you are visiting any other place in Arunachal Pradesh, you need to give the name and address of that particular place. Next, you need to provide your personal details, your full name, gender, identification mark, email ID, date of birth, present occupation. Then fill up your permanent address. And for current address, you can just tick same as permanent address if your current address is same as your permanent address. Next, you need to upload certain document. You can upload your Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport, ration card or voter ID. Or if you have already uploaded in your DigiLocker, you can just get it from there. Then you need to upload photograph. Then for the second applicant, you need to upload the details here. You need to upload the photograph of the second applicant too. The size of the document should be less than 200 KB. And for the photo, it should be less than 50 KB. Now you can click on the preview button to check your application. I have not filled up all the details, so it's written form is not properly filled. Once you fill all the details, then you will get an online application ID. Just go to home and you click on check the status of your eILP. Here you need to enter the online application number and the contact number which you have given in the form, and you need to enter a CAPTCHA. Then you can check your status of eILP. So by checking the status, you can check whether your application has been accepted or rejected. It might take some time. We had applied the eILP online the previous day before traveling, and on the day of traveling at about 10 to 10:30 we received the eILP. If you are in a hurry, you can apply for instant ILP, which will cost you rupees 400, and if you are single then it's rupees 100, and in a group it's 100 per person. If you already have an eILP, then a lot of time will be saved at the entrance gate. When you check the status and once your application is accepted, then they will provide you a link where you need to pay the amount. You can pay it online through net banking, debit card, or even UPI. Once you have made the payment, then you will get this eILP receipt where we will have all the details. We paid rupees 200 because we were 2% traveling to Arunachal Pradesh. Along with the e-receipt, you will receive this eILP, which will have an eILP number. We went through Valukpong, so at the Valukpong entrance gate, our eILP were checked and verified, which took hardly 5 minutes, and then we were allowed to enter the beautiful Arunachal Pradesh. For any other doubts, please do comment. Thank you.